In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set board permissions in Monday.com, which is an essential skill for managing collaborations and securing your workspace effectively. Understanding how to set these permissions will allow you to control who can view, edit, or comment on your board, making this a vital tool for anyone using Monday.com in a team setting. Let's begin by navigating to your Monday.com homepage. This is your control center, where all your boards are displayed. It's designed to help you organize tasks, projects, and workflows efficiently across your team. Take a moment to explore the interface if you are unfamiliar with it. Getting comfortable here is key to maximizing productivity. Once you're on the home page, the next step is to choose the board for which you want to set permissions. Think of boards as individual workspaces or projects where you and your team can interact and collaborate. Carefully select the relevant board to ensure that the permissions you set will affect the correct workspace. In the top right corner of your selected board, you'll see three little dots. This is the menu icon, often called the More Options menu, where all the additional settings for your board are tucked away. Go ahead and click on it. From this menu, you'll find a variety of options to customize your board according to your needs. Now, look for the option labeled Permissions and click on it. This will take you to the section where you can adjust who can do what with your board. Here, you have the flexibility to set permissions according to your team's specific requirements. With the Permissions panel open, you'll see several options: Edit Everything, Only Edit Content, Only Edit Assigned Items, and View and Comment. Each option plays a distinct role in managing your board's security and functionality. Edit Everything allows users full access to make changes, while Only Edit Content limits this to certain elements. Only Edit Assigned Items restricts editing to tasks specifically assigned to a user, and View and Comment limits access to reading and adding comments only. Choose the one that best fits your team's workflow and governance. After selecting your preferred permission setting, don't forget to save your changes. Look for the Save button and click on it. This step is crucial to ensure that your new settings are applied and take effect immediately. It's a straightforward process, but is vital to locking in your changes. And there you have it. You've successfully set board permissions in Monday.com. By configuring these settings, you can now better manage your team's interactions on this platform, keeping your workspace both productive and secure. Remember, experimenting with different settings can help you find the perfect balance for your specific needs. Enjoy the added control and enhance your collaborative efforts effectively.